Good day, I'm Stephen McHugh, and this is your JIS News for Friday, November 19, 2021. Prime Minister Andrew Holness has called for a report into the situation at Clarendon Alumina Partners. CAP, which owns the government's 45% stake in Jamalco, has been in the news due to reported disagreements about its continued engagement of a consulting company that was hired to assist the process of sourcing capital and finalizing its transition to a corporation. In a statement from Jamaica House, the Prime Minister ordered Mining Minister Robert Montague to provide him with a report on the incorporation process and the contract in question. Prime Minister Holness has also directed the minister to indicate to the board of CAP that the contract in question should be put on hold until the cabinet has had a chance to review the minister's report. Clarendon Alumina Partners has been engaged in a multi-year project to incorporate Jamalco to better secure and manage its value. The Prime Minister asserts that, given the level of public resources invested in CAP, it is of macro-critical importance and a major strategic asset of the government of Jamaica. He says the reports and allegations in the press regarding CAP are troubling, adding that instability in its governance is inimical or harmful to the national interest, given the significance of the Jamalco incorporation. As many as 10,000 Jamaicans will soon be able to access jobs in the cruise sector as it continues to rebound. Tourism Minister Edmund Bartlett says several international cruise executives are expressing strong interest in employing thousands of Jamaicans across the sector. Pointing out that the jobs will vary, Mr. Bartlett says he's working closely with the Ministry of Labour to put the necessary legislation in place to safeguard the prospective Jamaican workers.
Cruise executive reiterated a strong desire to employ thousands of Jamaicans across a wide range of jobs and are awaiting government's regulative amendments to make this a reality. And I just wanted to indicate that there is a demand for Jamaican seafarers, and it is felt that ours are among the best in the world.
Among the latest developments, one of the world's largest cruise lines, Royal Caribbean International, will resume operations in the island this month. The Education Ministry and its partners delivered more technological devices to 2 schools this week to support online or remote learning. A state-of-the-art Huawei Idea Hub interactive classroom system was handed over to Pembroke Hall High School in St. Andrew yesterday. It's one of 2 Idea Hubs donated by international ICT firm Huawei Jamaica to the Ministry of Education. The other was recently given to Lennon High School in Moko, Clarendon. Education Minister Favour Williams says it's just one way in which the ministry is seeking to fulfill its mandate of bringing more technology into the classroom, as well as to expose students to new developments in the digital space.
The state-of-the-art Idea Hub offers intelligent collaboration and bundles features such as intelligent writing, high-definition video conferencing, interactive whiteboarding, and wireless sharing. Huawei's Idea Hubs are designed to turn classrooms and open spaces into smart spaces and is perfect for the delivery of online or remote classes.
On Wednesday, students at Green Park Primary and Junior High School were presented with tablets as part of the One Laptop or Tablet per Child initiative.
So I'm also happy that once again we've been able to join forces with eLearning Jamaica to get laptops and tablets to students and teachers across the island. To date, we have delivered 499 to primary and junior high schools here in Clarendon Southeast, and specifically to Green Park Primary, 60.
During the function, Minister Williams said efforts would be made to establish an infant department at the institution, with the school to be renamed Green Park Primary and Infant come February 2022. She also promised that the school would be getting some much-needed upgrades to its electrical system. And finally, 2 suspects are now in custody following Wednesday's murder of police constable trainee Devon Brown in Westmoreland. Prime Minister Andrew Holness made the disclosure during a visit to the trainee constable's mother on Thursday. Westmoreland is one of 7 police divisions where a state of public emergency has been enforced. Since the start of the year, 111 murders have been committed in the parish. Mr. Holness says the police continue to investigate the trainee constable's murder and have also been implementing the enhanced security measure in the parish. While acknowledging that there's a shortage of police officers to man the division, the Prime Minister says the state of emergency will fill the gap.
The challenge we have is that there are some communities where crime and violence is concentrated and elevated over and above the capacity, and they require more resources. What the SOE does is to give us the ability to have the police force and the military deployed.
And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Stephen McHugh. Thanks for watching.